Bias, preference, and prejudice are static concepts that do not change over time. Addressing bias in data analysis involves only recognizing sources of bias without taking any corrective actions. Probability concepts provide the foundation for understanding randomness and variability in data. The central limit theorem applies only to populations that follow a normal distribution. Hypothesis testing involves making decisions about population parameters based solely on intuition. Confidence intervals provide a single-point estimate of a population parameter. Bayesian probability incorporates only observed evidence without considering prior knowledge. Techniques for identifying bias include seeking feedback and conscious observation but exclude self-reflection. Preference reflects individual inclinations towards choices or outcomes and is not influenced by societal norms. The central limit theorem is essential for understanding variability in data and forms the basis for many inferential techniques.